for the kid.
What is up, Harris, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing the passion twist on my hair, and I did buy some water wave hair. This is not free trust. The original passion twist was created by, I think, the boho. I'll leave a link in the description below where I found this passion twist idea. But yeah, so she used the water wave hair, and this, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh man, I can't believe I have to like unravel it. Like, it looks so pretty just how it is. This is so nice. And this is Lulu Tress water wave hair. It is really pretty. So this is the hair that I'm going to be using to do the twist. I already went ahead and detangled my hair. So I'm going to be doing a Fulani inspired passion twist. So the front of my hair, I'll be braiding it and then twisting the ends. And then the back of my hair, I'm going to just twist everything. So it's going to look really, really cool. I think it's going to look really nice. So here we go.
For the kid.
Bricks fell down on me, rain fell down on me. Dreams I had for years all came down on me. Trust gave in on me, lies came in on me. Friends I had for years all traded in on me.
So in order to do the passion twist, you have to use this hair and unravel it to kind of make it look like Marley hair. So this is how the hair looks from the package. One piece, and then just unravel it. Just unraveling it. Then doing the other side, just unraveling it. And then I'm going to take this hair and start to do the passion twist. So I think she recommended that you use like an edge control or some type of gel. I have some gel and I already separated the hair, so I'm just going to start to twist. So I am going to put this in 2 parts and then take my hair and then start to twist like a rope twist.
Champion, time gave in on me, everything hard on me. Fam, I thought was cool, all worked out on me. Time gave in on me, everything hard on me. Fam, I thought was cool, all worked out on me. It ran out on me, rocks rained down on me. Pain all in my way, everything hard on me. Time gave in on me, everything hard on me. Fam, I thought was cool, everything hard on me.
For the kid.
Continue twisting.
I'm alive, alive.
once again, I'm going to separate the hair. Join them. Then start to twist. Okay, I gotta pause, but this is how this side is looking. This is how the passion twists are looking. They're looking pretty good. This is 18 inches and it's looking really good. I have to go right now, so I'm gonna come back. Good morning! This is the next day because I didn't finish doing my hair. You know, different clothes. Let's see. So I finished the front. This is what the front is looking like. I parted out this section because I want to make these look a little fuller. But I only have 3 packs of hair, and these hair looking they're looking kind of, take a small piece at the top, like so. Put it into 2 parts. 2 parts like so. And then I'm going to take the hair, each section. Okay, so how I usually do it is I just start twisting, and when I do a full twist, then I start to like tighten it. So it'll look like this. See? And then she said, twist all the way, and as you twist, just pull on it to secure it. So as you twist, just pull up. Just like so. I don't know, what do y'all think? Some of them coming out like really springy and weird looking. I don't know. Look. Some of them coming out cool, and then some of them coming out really like coily. I don't know. Okay, just got done with 2 rows in the back. It's actually harder than I thought it would be. What is up, y'all? I'm still here. I'm still here with this hair. Still here trying to finish. This is like nighttime now and I'm still not done. I got a lot of compliments though. So far, like I had to go out, I went shopping and stuff. And everybody who saw it was like, "Oh, you make me want some braids. Oh, these look so good." And then they asked me, "Who did it? How much she charge you?" That's what one lady said. "How much she charge you?" I like, "Who she? Me? How much I charge myself?" But yeah, they look really nice. Like, they look really cute so far. And this is 3 packs, right? This is 3 packs, but you could only imagine if you did the front, you would probably need another 3 packs. So that's, I have 4 packs, so I have 1 more pack remaining, and that 1 pack have to do this. It has to do it. So I have 1 more pack, and I'm going to make this entire pack do this side. So yeah, it looks good so far. So I'm just going to go ahead and twist it. Twisting the back is kind of difficult. Like right here, because my grip is kind of off. But I tried the best I could. Yeah, it's looking good. All right.
I am champion, give. I give, I give, I give. Like a champion, I survive, survive, survive. I am champion, time getting on me, everything hard on me, fam, I thought was cool.